Thank you. Hello, my name is Oscar Serrano. I'm a senior in IC Analytics at Honeywell.
Hey, my name is Priyank Mehta. I'm also a senior analytics specialist at Honeywell. So Honeywell is a diversified technology company, and it's basically split into 4 different areas. So we focus on aerospace technologies, building automation, and we also focus on energy and sustainability solutions, as well as industrial automation.
So it was a great experience, a great exposure to get our digital operations platform out there and get visibility with the rest of the attendees. So pretty happy to share with all the audience.
I think the meetings were really good. It was really interesting to see and network with people from different backgrounds and different areas of interest. And it was also very interesting to just have an understanding of how people are looking for different things and all the different solutions exist. So I think the one-on-one meetings were definitely something that were different, new, gave a more personalized touch to this whole event. And it was something that we really appreciated and enjoyed.